The moral consciousness of human beings permeates all of us. Let us look to the core of our humanity. Show them something they have them show opposite people. Show them something they have anyway you get, anyway you get. Show them something opposite people. Anyway you get. You're standing for ground, your leg is shaking. Now your leg will be ground, you know you shake. Your face looks like you done this. You sit down for share like you done this. When you not the time, when you stop up the time, when you they show you power. When you not the time, when you stop up the time, when you hungry they show you power. You know the power to fight.